I'm Riley, I'm a Bupa dietitian and I love cooking delicious, nutritious meals for my friends and family. Today I'll be making grilled red lentil burgers. These are a protein-rich, nourishing option, but also a great mood booster because of the rainbow of vegetables that we use to pack into our patties and load up our burgers with. What's not to love about that? Let's get started. First things first, we're going to prepare our burger patties by mixing all of these ingredients together in a large bowl. So add in your zucchini, your diced onion, grated carrot, your breadcrumbs, curry powder, garlic, beef mince, cooked red lentils, and your egg to bind the mixture together. Lentils are a really cheap source of protein, whether you buy them dried or in a can, so I always recommend keeping some in your pantry to bulk out your meals if you're a cost-savvy shopper. Make sure you mix it together really well as we want every bite to be full of flavour. If your mixture is looking a little bit dry, you can add in another beaten egg just to bind it together if you need. Once everything is mixed together, take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and roll it into a ball to form your burger patties. These patties freeze really well, so you might want to save half in an airtight container and pop them in the freezer for next time. Now it's time to cook our patties. Heat a small amount of extra virgin olive oil on your frying pan or on your barbecue. Then you can add in each of your burger patties directly onto the pan. Listen to that sizzle. Flatten the patties slightly with your spatula and cook them for around 5 minutes on each side. Research has shown that a Mediterranean-style diet can reduce the risk of depression, and extra virgin olive oil is the main source of cooking oil used in Mediterranean countries. Legumes like lentils and beans are also widely used in a Mediterranean-style diet, so we're doing very well to boost our mental health with this recipe so far. Now for the fun part, we're going to assemble our burgers. Grab your wholemeal roll and then layer it up with all your delicious toppings. As you can see, I'm using a wide variety of fruit and vegetables here in lots of different colours. The different colours mean that we're going to get a variety of nutrients. Nutrients like B group vitamins, magnesium, zinc and iron have been shown to boost our mood. Healthy sources of unsaturated fats, such as avocado, have also been shown to improve our brain function and cognition. I've also chosen to use a whole grain roll today. That's because carbohydrates are our brain's preferred energy source, so whole grain options are going to give you long-lasting, sustained energy so you can perform at your peak all day long. And here we have it, our wholesome red lentil burger. Full of protein, fibre and nutrients, this burger is bound to boost your mood. Enjoy and I'll see you next time.